A collection of white birch. Going back to the deep dark dungeon area, it's cutting a selection of pieces. And actually this is what started it all. My wife is a wonderful cook and she wants these little salad tossers to be deer antlers. So as I built one yesterday, this is my little prototype. I'm gonna make a whole fleet of these guys. You know, the whole crew. You know, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Nixon, Praxton, Bob, Carl. You know, those guys. Randolph, the guy with the red nose. These should be able to be dismantled. They can also be posable, which I think is a way better option than securing them all with glue. Now, the best part about this is that at the end of the season, if you wanted to have this as a Christmas decoration, is you just pull these out. I did a little whittling there on the end of that stick. And I think what I think is the best part is you go like this, and this can be stored away in a nice tidy little box. See, and the nice part is you could spin these around and give them a whole different kind of pose. Narrow out the snout. We're going to do antlers out of here, maybe even eyes, maybe even round the body a little bit. Let's go. I think this one here is set up, and I like keeping one of these little branches here to turn into the tail. Might be the guy who gets these, so we'll see. So let's flip it over. Aim the tail straight down. What size legs do you want, mister? So I got 4 legs. Let's go with this 1/2 inch bit. This body's too long. That took a little longer than I thought. This one might fit just right off the bat. Nope. That'll give us a feel. And that's how we do it. Boom. Let's see what she looks like. Kind of a weird little posture. I don't know who's gonna get the red nose. I'm gonna switch back to the 3/8 bit. Which is equal to this wooden dowel. Where'd my hammer go? Go with the old-fashioned style hammer here. Woo. The same thing on this side. Okay, there we go. Mama and baby. Oh, look at that. All these different poses. It's a playable toy. I knew I should have been an elf. We're gonna pump some of these out. Let's go. Just love this tool. We're gonna carve it up a little. Round off his tushy a little bit. These tools right here are the wood carver's dream. That's right, you see a mommy? Getting jolly with the wood, getting jolly. Hey, you're a bit wobbly. There we go. Voila! This little teenager brother, he's a unicorn. I'm gonna go huge. Neck, head, got some legs. Getting crazy now. Yep. Got some holes. That's so satisfying. Walking in a winter wonderland. That's some crazy looking reindeer. It's like one of those snow walkers from Star Wars. That's what I should make. Oh, that must hurt. The big guy called. We had to call in some backup. We got elves from the training camp here. You guys, the new elves the big guy sent down? Yeah. Help get this order on schedule?
Yeah.
How long you guys been working up here in the North Pole?
4 days. I don't know what I'm doing, man.
It's because I'm the master elf. Check out my bling.
Real G, man.
Look at this elf, man. He's gonna get. Oh, you're gonna get hurt, son.
I broke it. It doesn't work anymore.
These elves are serious.
It's getting freaky in here. Oh my god.
That's Rudolph's grandpa.
Oh yeah, this one's for you.
Oh, I just stole some of the best antlers. Oh yeah, look at that. Easy peasy. Bam. He's got antlers. And the big man's always watching, and you know it. Let's shape up his tail. Yours is a pig.
You wanna go, Santa? No. Oh.
Put it down.
All the way. Come on, bro. You look like a real magic.
Look at this antler. Sure, you see it? Look at him. He's all wilted up. I love it, dude. You gotta leave it like that.
I was taking a whiz.
His legs up in the air. The music's off. People are crying.
Help me.
These elves are falling apart on me. How'd we do, elves? Oh, he's beautiful. There's a pig coming.
Hey.
I made a huge one! Huge! Get out, horse it! Posable, going in the yard.